Hello, the given instruction is move a comma e. For this instruction, we identify its length is 1 byte. Why it is 1 byte? Because the operand of this instruction both are general purpose register, that is at source location and destination location both are 8-bit general purpose register, so that its
Hello,
length is
the
1 byte.
instruction move a comma
Its
yum.
addressing mode
Here,
is register.
the length of
Why it is
instruction is
register?
1 byte.
Because
Why it is 1
both
byte? Because
operands at
at
source and
source
destination are general
location,
purpose
the
register,
operand is
so that
yum
we can take
register,
that its
which is
addressing mode
addressed
is
by HL,
register.
and at destination location, general purpose register A register. That means both sides the registers are present, so that its length is 1 byte. Addressing mode of this instruction is register indirect, because at source location or at destination location, anywhere the register is addressed by register pair. The register is addressed by register pair. Then we say that its addressing mode is register indirect. Okay.
Hello, the instruction mvid, 10h. The length of this instruction is 2 byte. Why it is 2 byte? Because the one operand in instruction is 8-bit image data. The 8-bit image data is any one of, that is 00H2FFH. Whenever this is appeared, then its length is 2 byte. Its addressing mode is immediate, because at source location the 8-bit image data is appeared and destination location is general purpose register, so that its addressing mode is immediate. Hello, the instruction mvi m, 10h. For this instruction, the length is 2 byte. Why it is 2 byte? Because at source location 8-bit image data is appeared, and 8-bit image data is any one of 00H2FFH and appeared at source location. Its addressing mode is register indirect. Whenever there is 8-bit image data is appeared, but its addressing mode is register indirect. Why it is register indirect? Because at source location register yum is appeared, which is addressed by HL. So which is addressed by HL, but at source location image data is appeared, but yum is addressed by HL pair, so that it is initiated with register pair, so that its addressing mode is register indirect. Hello, the instruction LDA 3FFH have length 3 byte. Why it is 3 byte? Because the 16-bit image data is appeared in instruction. The 16-bit image data may be any one of 0000H2 FFH. So its length is 3 byte. Its addressing mode is direct. Why it is direct? Because 16-bit image data is appeared immediately after the opcode. That is, there is no intermediate register between opcode and 16-bit data. That is, no intermediate register between opcode and operand, so that its addressing mode is direct. The instruction CMA have length 1 byte. Because the operand is absent, only opcode is present, so that its length is 1 byte. Its addressing mode is implicit or implied or inherent. Why it is? Because the operand is absent, only opcode is present, and which is itself executed, so that its addressing mode is implicit, implied or inherent.